YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what the goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out, and they can ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Let's go see what's inside. And we got Prime Day coming now. So they got Prime Day sales going on right now. And you can get one of these. Ooh, baby. Atlasonix VR headset. Atlasonix. Alright. There we go. Alright, it's red and black. We got the cloth right here. Fold this back up. Take a look at this VR headset. Kind of interested in the Apple one, but I don't know. 3500 is kind of. I could do other damage with that, so that might have to be on pause right now. Unless Apple, you're more than welcome to send me one, but. VR had the glasses. This is definitely way cheaper than the Apple, so VR headset. Here we go. Put this in garbage and garbage. You get a remote control. That's probably right here. Gonna need some batteries. Ooh. Look at this one. It's pretty interesting. A lot of buttons. Probably gonna need AAA. Three AAAs. So you make sure you have them. The Amazon basic ones are really good, so you might want to pick those up. Hold on one second. Oops, correction. 2 AAAs. So that's all you need is 2 of them. So that ain't bad. Like I said, the Amazon, they last a while, so definitely grab a couple of those. Here we go. Oh, got the blue light flashing. Now let's get down to business. Let's get this thing rolling. Put your phone in there. That slides out. Phone goes in. I got it for the speaker part. There's goggles. So definitely gonna be probably an app. Play the VR video. Once you play the VR video, the smartphone, make sure it is in full screen mode. Okay. Yeah, there's a QR cardboard for better visual. Foam square pads. Okay, that's what they're for, to hold the phone in place. These guys. So if you want to try it out, VR, this would be a good way to start, you know, especially for the children. This would be a good one. Find a VR reality video on YouTube. Search for virtual reality videos on YouTube. In terms of award, VR 360, VR 360. Okay. So any like VR video you see, you can watch with these. Maybe if you have a movie installed on your phone that's 3D or VR, you can watch. So, simple video, but easy to use. Super lightweight, so I'm going to leave this here. That goes on your head, behind it, so you could wear it. Pretty stretchy. And this is definitely a nice one. Atlasonix, Sony? I don't know. Definitely a cool one to get. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link's going to be down below. You guys be safe. You get a nice little remote with it. And have a good weekend. See you soon.